welcome back to my channel. This is a footage of another video because I didn't have time to film an intro, so we will just start with the DIY. Okay, if you're interested in this hairstyle, I will link the video in the description. Bye. For the first DIY, I have a clay pot. It's pretty old, so as you can see, I have drawn a line with a pencil because I want to color the pot black and white. Here I'm using some fabric arsenic color. These are pretty strong colors, but because it's a clay pot, I don't know, I think I needed more color, and I didn't plan this DIY. I just got the idea instantly and I wanted to do it, and as you can see, I have no color left. So when I said the pot is really old, it's really old. This is like a 10 years old pot. I was pretty young and this was the DIY that I did to my pot. Yay, it looks pretty bad, but okay. So as I was saying that I didn't have that much of black, I wanted to do another layer of black, but then I was just hoping that the white will just make the black pop, and it did. After applying the white, I think the black looked much better. I was struggling so much with those thin brushes, but then I realized, wait, I have this brush, I can use this. I'm so dumb. While I was coloring it, I was thinking about a lot of patterns and designs. I have just looked all over Pinterest for trinket, I think it's called trinket patterns, and I just felt like, should I copy someone's work? Should I? And then I was like, okay, no, let's make my own pattern. I messed up a little bit, but then it's okay. I covered it up with some black later. I thought about a lot of patterns, but then I decided, okay, I want freaking mushrooms on my trinket. Don't ask me why, but I wanted mushrooms on my trinket. I have no idea why I chose this pattern. I just don't understand how my brain works. But yeah, my brain chose mushrooms, so here am I, drawing mushrooms. Say hello to my cat, who is always intrigued about actually everything she sees. Yeah, she's pretty much curious. On the other side, I wanted to draw the galaxy. Actually, I am lying. I drew the galaxy and then I didn't like the design, so I went out, bought another bottle of black paint, and then I covered up the design, and then I thought about, okay, let's draw eyes. I mean, what's the theory? Eyes and mushrooms, is there any connection? No, there is no connection. I told you, I don't know how my brain functions. It's just getting... Stop honking at me. I'm just doing a voiceover. I hate everyone. Anyways, this is how the trinket turned out. It's pretty cute, I think.
In it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me. Wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see.
Will you believe me if I say that I did the next DIY in like 30 minutes? So this is a very old frame and this is a paper. Here I am drawing a picture of Jungkook. Well, that's not really a picture of Jungkook, but it looks like it's Jungkook. I mean, the hair, the earrings, yeah, that's pretty much Jungkook. You can draw anything you want, any anime character, anything. And then you have to insert the picture inside the frame, and then you just paint with the arsenic color. Be very careful, you need a very thin brush. Just follow the outlines and don't move the page that's inside. Just do it carefully, and it's very easy actually. One advice is not to use water because you will mess it up, and when you will try to remove it, everything will just fall apart and you will mess it up. So don't use water. Now I am removing the paper on which I drew, and see, you have a glass painting. Okay, so I'm taking another paper and I'm applying this earth tone colors. It's totally up to you how you will do it. It's totally up to you. Just insert the page in the frame and it's pretty much done.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends you only talk to till summer